Hey guys, if you are looking for a tablet that is absolutely perfect for maybe watching TV or movies, or simply just checking the internet or doing some light, easy gaming that's not heavy intense, I've got the perfect product for you. So this was sent over by a company called URAO, and it's basically going to come in this little box right here, and it is the Alumni AIOS model. Obviously, you're going to get a user manual. The model here is the C108 tablet itself. Now, you are going to obviously get a USB to USB-C cable here to charge it up, and a brick adapter, how you power up the tablet itself. It has a decent sized battery life on it. It's going to last for multiple days, I should say. But if you're watching a bunch of movies or something like that, it's going to run a lot faster. But if you're just using it for checking the internet, you'll charge it up every few days. So it works and gets the job done. Now, this is a 10.1 inch as far as the screen itself tablet. The overall size of this thing is about 9 3/4 inches in length, and then it is about 6 inches in width, and then pretty thin at 0.35 of an inch as far as thinness. Now you notice it does have a single camera on the back. The picture quality is not going to be nearly as nice as your phone or anything like that, but if you want to take a picture, it does do a nice little picture as in a pinch if you're wanting to do that as well. Now this thing does have an octa-core processor built into it, and it does have essentially 24 gigabits of RAM in it, so it does do decent processing. Like I said, it's going to work great for movies, surfing the net, and then like light games, so kind of like Fruit Ninja and stuff like that. It's not meant for the high intensity games like Fortnite or something like that. The processor is not going to be able to handle those. Now, as far as the memory on this, it's going to have a built-in 128 gigabits of storage. However, there is a micro SD card slot on the side. Simply go ahead and open the little rubber door there, and you can put in up to a terabyte of memory. So if you do have music or movies that you're wanting to bring on a card, you can go ahead and attach that as well. Pretty fast response time as far as doing the screen, as far as sliding around and accessing what you need to access. Swiping left and right gives you the main menus. Swiping down gives you the settings, and swiping up opens up all essentially your app selection. There's also the 3 little bars that'll open up your current little windows. So pretty straightforward. It's running on Android operating system, so very, very easy, very user-friendly when it comes to utilizing it. That camera on the back side is an 8 megapixel camera, so like I said, it's not massively high quality. The camera on the front, so if you do utilize this for any like Zoom calls or something like that, it is, just keep in mind, it is a 5 megapixel camera on the front side of it. Now, as far as the resolution of the screen itself, it is an FHD screen, which is sitting at 1280 by 800. So pretty decent as far as your entry-level kind of tablet, not as compared to your high-end tablets, but it's nice and bright when utilizing it. If you're sitting out in the sun, it does have the auto sensing through the camera on the front as far as to brighten it up, and helps you with that glare, essentially, which is another nice feature that it has built in. As I touched on at the top, it does have a 5,000 mAh battery built into it. Like I said, it's going to last you a couple days, at least I find, if I'm just using it for internet and things like that. But if you're doing a lot more intensity stuff, it's going to only last around 8 hours max. So think of a full day. I like to just keep it charged when I'm done using it. I just go ahead and put it on the charger, and it's always ready to go. As far as connecting to your internet, it connects via Wi-Fi 6, so it has that latest Wi-Fi chip in it, so it can handle the kind of the speeds out there. It has faster internet, and it also connects via Bluetooth 5.1 if you're, or 5.0, I mean, if you are wanting to pair any headphones or anything like that. But like I said, it's a really simple entry-level tablet, very comfortable to hold, very easy to use. If you're looking for a great tablet to just go ahead and mess with apps and stuff, do a light, not heavy-duty work, this one is totally worth checking out.